Alright, so now we got the welding cart all assembled. All the bolts are tight. So the next thing we're going to do is I get the luxury of picking up the heavy new welder and setting it on there. And then Garrett's going to set everything up. So I'm going to hand the camera to him while I go get the welder out of the box. And he's going to video for a little bit while I get the welder cart, or get it on the cart.
So that's the box with all the accessories in it.
Yep. Cardboard or the plastic or without, so I'm trying to get it every time.
I try and set it on the ground. Stops in the back. Going forward for now, just like that. That's on the back stops. Now all it is the front stops.
Square it up a little. Push this front stop. Loading with it on this welder. The front stops are too short, so we'll have to weld a plate to stop.
To where it will hold the front of the welder.
See how it's short right there? And there's a notch there for cooling. We'll have to weld that up, catch it right there. Then we'll have a good positive stop. So, might be a first new project for this welder.
Mm-hmm. Just so it will sit on the cart.
So now, got him on there, I'm going to take the camera back and you're going to get the accessories for it out of the bag over there.
So, this way.
That's the regulator. Just set it on the drill press. You set down on the pad. Yep, we'll need the foot pedal. Need the power supply. Need your consumables. Yep, bring all that over here. So your foot pedal, the rest of it. TIG torch. Put that on there. And your stick wire. Now the stick wire we're not going to be using, so it can just lay on the bottom of this cart. We don't need it right now. The ground wire we do need, so keep it out. That's everything?
Yep.
All right. Come back over. All right, first, grab your book. Look in your book to see your connections. So go to Setup Instructions, page 8.
The back of the book.
13. Page 8. Okay, so you see over here where they're showing you the diagram. See how they're showing you your TIG torch is the 2 on the left or the middle, and then your ground clamp is on the right. On the bottom, same way, ground clamp on the right, TIG torch on the left. So what you got to do is you got to get your ground clamp. And you put it on the bottom. Yep. So you don't need the stick welder part, you just need the ground clamp. So that can put back on the bottom. Nope. Yeah. Yep. So see how that's red?
It goes into the red.
Yep. And the way that it just undo enough to untangle what they got. So when you hook your clamp in, see there's a notch. There's a notch in the welder, and you go straight in on that notch, and then you turn it. And you turn it till it's tight. That's it. You just hooked up your ground. Now what you need to do is take your ground and make it into a coil, and you're going to hang it on this hanger. Out of the way. Nope, start at the welder and coil it around that thing. You want to straighten it out all the way first, or you're going to have a mess on your hands. GoPro's full. Yes. All right. Now you have to get your TIG torch. Yes. Untwist it. Yeah, it is. Okay, so go ahead, stretch it out, you get the kinks out of it, be gentle with it, uncoil it as you go, walk it out. So start up here and start walking it around. See how that's right like that? Walk it all around, the whole cable. So you're kinking the cable. You don't want to kink it. You want to do that. It should be completely straight when you hook it up. Okay. So that goes in the same way. Push that in, twist it till it's tight. And you see that little connector? That goes right in there. There you go. Push it till it locks. That's your gas feed. Now, you got to coil this around that side. detangle it. Straighten it out. Start with it straight. Walk it out. It's never going to coil unless you twist it. That's how you make it coil. You have to twist it. Here. Give me the tape. Look. Walk this out. Now, make your first hook. No. Round this way. Always keep it loose. Alright. Make your second hook. While you're doing it, I'm going to be twisting this cord. Make it bigger. Make the hook bigger. There you go. Do it again. Alright. Do it one more time. There. Now your TIG torch is up and off the ground and it's coiled up. So now you either can hook up your foot pedal and you're going to have to move your ground clamp on the bottom of the welder, which is the last thing that connects to the front. Or you can hook up the gas cylinder, but we got to move the cart to do that. You don't need these yet.
Here's the gas.
Yeah. But we got to move the cart to do that. So I'd leave that up there. Grab your foot switch. Go ahead and move your stick weld clamp on the bottom. Push that back. So that foot pedal will store right there underneath it. So if it was me, I would put that in there first. Put the foot pedal in the cart. Put it in a way so that the cable's not bound up. Okay. Now, you've got your cable all messed again. You can't put it there. You want to know why? No, because when you roll it, it's going to roll off the cart and then you're going to run over the cord. You got to put the cord up here on one of these hooks. And I'm going to show you a way to do it so that you don't have to hook it. Give me that cord. No, just give me the cord. Nope. Just give me the cord. See how your foot pedal's down there stored? If you can hang this on a hook, it ain't going to get ran over. See what I'm saying? So whenever you're not using it, this is how you should store it. Hook it back up. Now if you're going to always use a foot pedal, you can leave it disconnected or connected to the welder. So get yourself enough cord to reach the welder. Yep. And this has a notch on top and a notch on top of that. So you're going to line your notches up. Now once you get it pushed in, take that screw and screw it down. That's what holds it in there so it don't jerk out or get damaged. It doesn't have to be super tight. Just get it on there till it's just finger tight. That's it. I really want this. Okay. So that's it for your foot pedal. Now you need to go around to the back of the cart. So turn this thing around so we can see the back. Make a wide turn. Yep. Not wide enough to turn.
There we go.
There you go. That's a wide turn. Okay, so back here on the back, your only connection is your gas in to input. this up there so people can see it. So one side of that's for the bottle, one side of that's for the welder. But it looks like you're good. Your fittings are the same. They're the same thread, same end, same style. So go ahead and screw one end into the welder. Now it might be left-hand thread. Some are right, some are left.
No,
That's right-hand thread, okay. Okay. So now you hold on to this and I'll walk your bottle over to your welder. First I'm going to do a chain. Put this on the last one. Make sure it's all the way on. So what we got to do, take our first chains through, this chain through. You just want to get it to where it's the tightest that you can get with your ends, right? You ain't gonna be able to go one more notch. That's as tight as it's going to get. See, I can't go no more. So that's all you get. Same on the bottom. Run this all the way down. And just keep going until it's tight. That one's in. Get your play, your slack. I can't go no more, so that's all I got. Now, ground cable for your welder needs to stay out of the stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if we'll loop it up here, so it's not in the way. We're going to get us a hell hook to hold this bottle cap in our helmet. Get that off. You want to turn it because you want your regulator facing you. Now, where's your new regulator?
Oh, in that box.
The new regulator came with the welder. This is your bottle. See how it's big?
Mm-hmm.
You can't mess this up because it won't screw in to your post. Always the same size. It's right in thread. We'll get a wrench in a little bit and we'll tighten that the rest of the way. Now, we want this so it won't get caught when we're coming around through the shop. So I'm going to try running it down here through this hole. And then loop it. It's cold. She's a cold one. There we go. So come down through there. Right through this.
Make it go through this one too.
Yep. Now you see how this is loose?
Mm-hmm.
If you was to turn your gas on and not put Teflon sealant on that, or Teflon tape, you'll get a gas leak and you'll lose fluids. See how this one's loose?
Mm-hmm.
This one's loose?
Mm-hmm.
Probably gonna want to put tape on all these connections. So we'll do that next time. We can Now, then just use going to use a pair of adjustable pliers, and then once this gets warm, I should just hang right there out of the way. It ain't outside of the cart, so it's not going to get hung up, and you'll be ready to weld. Then come back here. Done. So all together with this cart, got a nice place to hold a ground clamp, a nice place to hold the TIG torch, a nice place to hold the foot pedal wiring up and out of the way. Nothing's really exceeding the side of the cart. The cart rolls beautiful even with all the weight on it. This thing's way better than my snapper cart.
And that one over there.
It's inside the cart perimeter, so it's not going to get knocked off or banged into nothing. The only other part we have that comes with this welder is they give you a touch switch for your
stick welding,
for your TIG. And what this does is you just unscrew your foot pedal. Screw this in place of your foot pedal. Zip tie this to your TIG, got a place in the front, place in the back, and then it's just a single touch. That starts your high frequency start. Single touch, stops. So when you're in a tight spot and you can't use a foot pedal, this thing, this is probably about 80 bucks by itself, so it's pretty awesome they give you this with the welder. Other than that, this thing's all together. Hopefully the next time when you see us, hopefully we'll be having a video of Garrett welding. He's going to start welding his turbo kit for his Blazer, and he's only 13 years old, so it's going to be pretty remarkable seeing a 13-year-old build his own turbo kit. But I know he can do it. It's just, we're going to give him enough material to practice on, and then he's going to get talent with this book. We're going to get it set up.
For this thing.
Yeah, he's going to build his Blazer. And he built the motor completely, so he's going to weld it too. I'm going to help him. We'll tack up some spots and get it all off there, and we're both going to learn as we go, because I'm not a welder either, so it ain't never too late to learn, it ain't never too early to learn. It's a skill you can use your whole life. So for now, that's it. Thanks for watching.